Hi guys, this is It's Crafty and today I'm showing you my two budgies. Actually, I had replaced them. In my previous video, you can try to find out and spot the difference that Rolly was actually dark green my previous time and Polly was actually yellow. But what happened, actually Polly flew away. The slider was open, so she flew away. That was a real tragedy, so that's very sad. Yeah, you can look at Polly. She's stuck to the cage. And you might wonder where Rolly is, because Rolly is right up there. She is, they were actually, I opened the cage so that they can have a very great view. I mean, they can fly around and have some fun, but Polly likes sticking to the cage, so she's not out. I'll try to get her on my finger, okay? And one more thing, that is because Polly flew away, actually I saw that, I got to know that Rolly was actually very big. She was actually 1 year old. So we changed her because the thing is we wanted some budgies who were very small. We wanted to give more attention to the budgies which were small, because that's actually what I wanted. I didn't want adult budgies. I wanted baby budgies so that they can recognize me from the little bit childish. Yeah, because birth, I don't know, because I can't buy budgies from their birth. So yeah, here I am. This is Polly. Trying to go and get her on my finger. Oh, she put one leg and she's trying to beat me. Oh, no. It won't actually work because she's not actually used to it. It was actually the first time I tried to get her on my finger, and that's a really good thing. Well, that's all I wanted to tell you, that I replaced my budgies. It was actually my mindset that I wanted a childish type of budgie. I wanted a small budgie. And here it is. But actually I also got to realize that this Rolly, the Rolly that's sticking to the curtain, is an adult. And Polly is childish. It always happens that Polly is childish and Rolly is actually adult. I actually named them the same because somewhere I wanted them to be the same, because I like the name Rolly and Polly. It's just so funny and it's so lovely and cute. I love it. And one more habit of these new ones, previous Polly was actually very active. She would get out of the cage really quick. That is how she flew away. She was very active, so she flew away from the cage. But this Polly is actually very sleepy and lazy. She likes to sit in the cage. Whereas my previous Rolly, she was actually the one who slept in the cage all day. But now it's Polly. Polly, wanna say something? No, she's in the mood because she's sleeping. And that is Rolly. Rolly is the one who's active. This Rolly is active, but the previous Rolly was actually very sleepy type of. So it's actually interchanged now. Polly is previous Rolly and Rolly is previous Polly. So that's what has happened. So that's all I wanted to tell you for today, guys. Bye. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.